Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the girl Kissy and Stop Up, and today I'm gonna make steamed fish and bammy for you guys, so stay tuned. I'll be right back.
I can't cook. Think you that you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book.
Hi guys, welcome back.
So guys, as you can see, I have my fish right there, all seasoned, everything ready to cook. So right over here, so I have some bammy. I'm gonna soak the bammy in some salt water. If me did I go fry it like the next day or whatever, I just like use it alone, I use milk, but me choose to use salt water this time. So over here, so I have some veggies. I have some corn right there, I have some okra right there, I have some pumpkin, I have some carrot right there. And over here I have my seasoning. I have some sweet peppers, I have some scallion, I have some thyme, onion, and not to mention my scotch bonnet pepper right there. So right over here, so now I have my pot on the fire. I'm gonna put in my carrots, my pumpkin inside the pot, and the corn. I'm not gonna put in the okra same time because remember okra easy to cook. So right there, so now I have everything in that pot. I'm gonna put in all of the seasoning them, like my onion, my scallion, my pepper, my thyme, and the whole works right there. So throw everything in that pot right there. So look on it, look colorfully. I'm gonna start cook it. Watch there, that is it. Right there, so look how colorful that looks. So I'm gonna add like 2 cups of water inside of it, and I'm gonna leave it on the stove to cook. Yeah, so right now I'm gonna throw some pimento seed inside it. You know you can have a steamed fish and have some pimento seed in it. I'm gonna put some all-purpose seasoning in it to give that little nice little taste right there, so you understand, because a steamed fish, we say a steamed fish. So I'm gonna add my old base season. Yo, that season I give the pot a buzz. Me not tell no like this is my cock soup right there. So I'm strain off the nougat if I come in. I really like the nougat, so I'm gonna add some cock soup powder in it to get that buzz. You know, it's a cock soup. Get anything about, you understand? Right there, so that is it. Look pan girl pot right there, so look pan girl pot. It look colorful and nice. I'm gonna cover the pot right there. So right now, look at pot. Look on the pot I boil up. It look nice. And I say, guys, it smell good. You see, man, motion could have smelling. Yeah, so right there, so right there, so now I'm gonna put in my okra, because you know say kind of like a cook now. I'm gonna put in my okra, but for some reason some of them okra I did so tough. Me never like it okra at all. When they cook it, kind of tough, like it okra whole. Put in my scotch bonnet pepper. I'm gonna add some butter to it. Right there, so put in my butter right there, so I'm gonna stir him up a little, make everything just come together. You understand? So over here, so now I'm gonna fry my bammy. My oil hot and everything. So guys, you have to make the oil well hot, because you don't want the oil to soak up in the bammy, because you don't want to eat your bammy and appear oil in it. So you have to make the oil well hot on the fire. So I'm gonna put in my 4 slices of bammy. Look over here, so now look on pot of bubble. I drop in my fish there, me not head and tail, because you know, so you want them to soup up in the little gravy this and taste good and all that. You understand? So I'm gonna drop in my fish them up on top this, so cover them up and make him go and steam down. Look on fish. So right now my bammy done fry, so I'm gonna add the bammy on top because the fish is almost cooked. So I'm gonna put the bammy on top for the bammy get some of the gravy. You understand? Right there, so look how my bammy them look golden and nice. So I'm gonna take up some of the gravy right now and put it over the bammy, because you want the bammy to taste good too, and you want the bammy to have that little moisture there right there. So you understand, you're not gonna overcook the bammy, you know. So you're gonna put some of the gravy on it to get that little niceness right there. So right there, so steamed fish and bammy. Yes guys, look there, cover up by the pot. Look there, voila. Look at that delicious steamed fish and bammy. But for some reason I don't really like steamed fish, because the bone them come up too much. I don't like fish bone go on my throat. Look for my delicious presentation. From 1 to 10, give a girl a ratings. Look pan pot right there, so I mean it's a steamed fish and bammy right there, so yes guys, tell me what you think about this video. Tell me what you think about this whole setting here. So remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.